I'm in this WordPress, and today we want to get a list of blog posts. So for that we will go to post section, and to get the post we just use one option, title tag, and we just apply. This way we will only see the title there. We can also remove the title tag, and now we only see the post names. So now we can just copy everything up to here, and I will just paste it to the Google Sheet because I need it in Google Sheet. Okay, we delete this up, and we say we need it like this. We set it default, we do it black, or maybe we just reset it, and we got all the good blog post titles. So that's how we got all the blog post titles. And I can also say we want this to be resize the column to 21, or maybe we just have it like this, and we got all these, and this one is bad, so we can just delete this. And we got 54 of the blog post, and I have 54 blog posts with us in this blog. So we got the entire list.